Discover Jamaica Health Box's Hormone Balance Tea, a natural blend crafted to gently support your hormonal equilibrium. This isn't just tea, it's a pathway to holistic well-being, rooted in Jamaican herbal traditions. Hormonal balance is crucial for overall health. This tea may help reduce mood swings, improve sleep quality, and alleviate PMS symptoms. Studies suggest these herbs can positively influence hormonal pathways. Our blend features Jamaican sarsaparilla, known for its detoxifying properties, moringa, rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and ginger, which aids in reducing inflammation. These herbs work synergistically to support your body's natural processes. Why choose Hormone Balance Tea? It's a gentle, natural alternative to synthetic options. It supports your body's innate ability to heal and find equilibrium without harsh side effects. Ready to experience the harmony of balanced hormones? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to natural well-being starts here with Jamaica Health Box.